Okay. The teacher performance results provided continual blank to the professional development. Continual feedback. Teacher Nori wants to continue with her study leave for another 6 months after completing a school year. Would she be allowed? Yes. Yes, but without compensation. Teacher Oy was ordered by the principal to come to school on 4 consecutive Saturdays for the training of students' editorial staff of their school paper. Is this allowed under RA 4670? Yes, because it's part of the teacher's other duties. After the implementation of NCBTS, results of LET still reveal low performance among examinees. What can teacher education institutions do to upgrade their graduates' LET performance? Review curriculum via VESPOS. Teacher Tony is in a relationship with his student. Is this allowed? Yes, provided that the teacher Tony should exercise utmost professional discretion to avoid scandal, gossip, preferential treatment of the learners. Is holding a rally to protest the delay of benefits due a persons ethically acceptable? Yes, when held outside the official time. The new performance appraisal system where the teacher passed is blank. Competency based. What is known as self-appraisal for professional growth that is acceptable and useful for recognizing weakness and strengths for a new beginning teacher. Self-evaluation. What characterizes the formative developmental nature of PAS? Self-directed. What is RA 6713 also called? RA 6713, also called Code of Conduct and Ethical Standard for Public Officials and Employees. How can the efforts of four agencies, DepEd, JED, PRC, and CSC, be best achieved by the training and development of teachers? Synchronization. Teacher Rochelle affirms that being a teacher is a task entrusted by this world. She therefore believes that teaching is a mission. Which competencies are expected of BE-Ed and BSED graduates? Two, one, two, three. One, higher level literacy and critical thinking. Two, principled understanding of learning process. Three, assuming responsibility and sustained professional growth. Which competencies are expected of BEED and BSED graduates? Higher level of literacy and critical thinking, principled understanding of learning process, assuming the responsibility to sustain professional growth. What does the teacher education development program signifies as a prerequisite for employment of teacher in basic education schools? National standard competencies among teachers. Is membership to the accredited professional organization for teachers mandatory for all lead passers? No. Is membership to the accredited professional organization for teachers are mandatory for all lead passers? No. International educators propose a definition of the term global competence. What is the most appropriate characteristic of a globally competent individual? Competent, globally competent individual having an open mind while actively seeking to understand norms, work effectively outside one's environment. Teacher Pedro, the English coordinator, was assigned by teacher Elena throughout the celebration of English Week. What could be teacher Pedro do to acknowledge teacher Elena's assistance? Make an announcement giving due recognition of the assistance received. Principal B act on the letter of complaint received by his office 30 days after saying he was preoccupied by more important things the past days. Is his reason acceptable? No. Even you are occupied, it's a no because RA 6713 states that public officials, employees must act promptly on letters and requests within 15 working days from receipt thereof. For quality professional development, teacher must consider the NCBTS, which are the established standard for good teaching in the Philippines. What it meant by the acronym NCBTS. National Competency-Based Teacher Standards. From global competence as defined by international indicators, which is the most appropriate characteristic of globally competent individual. Adapt adaptability to a new work environment, which program directly embodies both the pre-service and in-service program. TEDPA, Technical Education Development Program. Mr. Santos is a holder of a valid certificate of eligibility as a teacher issued by the Civil Service Commissioners and the then DICS, while Mr. Cruz is a registered professional who is allowed to practice the teaching profession in the Philippines. Both of them because their credentials are both recognized by law. Teacher K teaches in public school in her locality due to teacher shortage. Her classroom teaching starts from 6 a.m. and ends at 3 p.m. Is the assignment given her just? No. Magna Carta for public school teachers states that in the exigencies of services, any teacher may be required to render more than 6 hours and not more than 8 hours of actual classroom teaching day. Mr. Nico, a social science teacher, is advocating reforms which the principal failed to recognize. What should the principal do? Call Mr. Nico to the office and clarify things out with him. The result of the lead revealed the low performance of future teachers. In April 2010, only 15% of the PE-ED and 25% of PS-ED graduate passed. What do results imply? Review existing teacher education curriculum via TOS. It is professional for a teacher to receive gift from the students and parents. No, especially if done in exchange of requested concessions. As a professional teacher, you must be a good interactive communication. What does interactive communication include? All of the above. One, two, three, four. Person to person, email corresponds interaction through simulations, models, electronic mailing lists, video conferencing, chat rooms, group interaction in virtual learning space, audio communication. Dr. Velasco, a school division superintendent, acted on the complaint filed by a group of parents against the alleged misconduct of particular teacher. She issues memorandum requiring her to take a leave of absence for a week while the complaint is being heard yet. Was the action of Superintendent legal? Yes, the superintendent has disciplinary authority over teachers. Once a teacher, forever a student. What does this statement imply about quality, personal, professional development for teacher? It is continuing. Teachers are required to make an individual plan for professional development, IPPD. This is based on the philosophy that the teacher is a lifelong learner. The NCBTS provides steps for blank assessment in making the IPPD. Self-assessment in making the IPPD. To whom does the word teacher refers? Full-time teacher, part-time teacher, guidance counselor, librarians, division superintendent. One, two, three, four. Full-time teacher, part-time teacher, guidance counselors, and librarians. They are teachers. Teacher M suffers from the hypertension and experiences difficulties in the speech, which would be affected in he continues teaching. Effectiveness, which are the job embedded requirements for teachers and so must continuously develop themselves in this aspect. One, two, three, four. Maintain updated pupils, students' school records, conduct action research, maintain harmonious relationship with stakeholders and channels, and guide learners. Which of the following is true about the teacher as a person under the Code of Ethics Professional Teacher? All of these serve as a model worthy of emulation, place premium upon self-respect and self-discipline, live with dignity at all times wherever he or she is. Which of educational level provides for free compulsory education as stipulated in Article 4, Section 2 in Philippines Constitution? Elementary and secondary are free educated by the Philippines. You are very much interested in quality professional development program for teachers. What characteristics should you look first look for? Responsive to identify teachers' needs. When a principal starts to exercise his or her power over making and promoting students, is he or her action acceptable? Yes, when there is abuse of judgment on the part of teacher. Teacher Tony received a love letter from one of her third-year high school students in English. What should Mr. Martin do? Return the letter to the student and tell her not to do it again. Is Teacher H contracted an illness that required rest for more than 1 year? Which leave should she apply? Indefinite leave. An education graduate without a license is accepted to teach in private school. Is ma an education graduate without a license is accepted to teach in a private school. Is this is is this in violation of RA 7836? No, provided he has taught for at least 3 years. What norms of conduct is manifested by being loyal to the Republic and to the Filipino people? Nationalism and patriotism. Societal change requires continually deep-seated questions about good living. Which of these did Socrates recognize as the greatest of human virtue? Moral wisdom. In a knowledge-based society, teacher must be capable of effective communication. What does effective communication involves? Teaching collaboration and interactive communication, interpersonal skills and personal responsibility, social and civic responsibility, adaptability, and self-direction. One only. Teaching collaboration and interactive communication is a effective communication base. To ensure high standard of teacher, personal, and professional development, which measures must be implemented. Two and three. Every teacher formulates his or own professional development plan. The implementation of what is learned in training must be monitored. Which of the following is not in the norms of conduct under RA 6713? Not, not under, not included in RA 6713. Responsiveness to the private. This self-assessment tool, which is used nationwide, is one of the bases in planning the blank training of teachers. School-based. Teacher Audrey tutors her students who have difficulty coping with math after class hours. Is her act ethical? Yes, provided she does not require a fee from the parents. Can, may, can Manny Pacquiao be given special permit to teach boxing in special school? Yes. Yes. He has excelled and gained international recognition. For relevance to business and industry, what did the first Biennial National Education of Education 2008 impose for updating the licensure examination for teachers? Technical and scientific competencies. Which of these skills must be a teacher develop that will enable him or her to talk at problems as opportunities? Which of these skills must a teacher develop that will enable him to talk a problem as opportunities? The answer is 1, 2, and 3. Address the problem as fast as possible. Remain alert to the possibility. Foster the sense of accomplishment.